Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-ZS40 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this camera is not working, or if it seems to be bugging or glitching, or it's slow or something like that, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is there's a ton of settings on here and we can change them all manually, but sometimes you just want to get a fresh start and just get this camera back to the way it was when it came out of the box by wiping all of the settings off of it. And so it's really easy to do on this camera. All we need to do is, with the camera on, we're going to come in and hit this menu set button right here, and then that's going to open up the menu on the screen, and from there we'll just select the setup with the wrench icon submenu, and from there we'll just select reset. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It'll take you through a couple confirmation screens to reset the recordings and to reset the setup parameters. You'll just hit yes each time, and everything will be reset back to the factory default settings.